My name is Tam. I'm the founder of my company. I absolutely give GMass a 5 out of 5. It helped us so much. For more reviews like this, click below. So before I started using GMass, which is like a Gmail integrated server, the very first thing that I was using was just the plain the plain Gmail client itself, like sending messages through Gmail one at a time. There was absolutely no way to mass send emails, template them, do any sort of decent job of tracking them. It's obviously not used for any sort of marketing purposes apart from, hi, how are you? So I quickly got onto hunter.io. I got some leads from there. I was using a couple of their services. I decided to try and use the email function in hunter.io as well, but I didn't really like it. It was okay, but I moved to GMass really quickly because GMass is within Gmail. It's not anywhere, it's not like a third party. So my deliverability with GMass just went through the roof. Everybody was receiving my emails. It was going into their primary inbox. It didn't register me as spam. I was able to just do whatever I wanted, but it gave me tracking, it gave me full deliverability, and it made everything happen at the click of a button, which was amazing for my time. I chose GMass mainly because of the deliverability. I wanted to get into everybody's primary inbox. That was my main reason for using it. It also let me send anywhere between 500 and 1,000 emails per day just on the basic email that I had. If I had an old G Suite account, I could be sending 2,500 a day. I don't, and I don't even feel like I need it. My response rate that I'm getting from the list that I scrape and then put into GMass is so high that it's already taking up all of my time. What I find myself doing on GMass so much, I didn't even know that this was going to happen, was using all their tracking features. I can see who opens my emails, who replies to my emails, how many people reply to my email. And then there's this crazy thing where each of those can be its own separate Excel or CSV file. So I can have an Excel file full of the 6,000 people that have opened my email and make a new list just for them. So I'm using that tracking feature a lot, and it's really helpful. Apart from that, I think that's it, deliverability, the tracking, and just how easy it is. Like, I can schedule my emails in advance, and everything is within Gmail's rule set. So they're really helpful at helping me make sure that my account stays in a high reputation so that I can always send emails, not get banned, not get like my message limit up for the day. They're really good at it. Getting started with GMass was outrageously simple. All I did was export a CSV file into Google Sheets, which everybody should know how to do, and then they have a one button click to put your Google Sheet full of email addresses into the email, which is just another button, and then use it. The only thing that was really difficult was my data set didn't have first and last names separated, and it wasn't super easy to do so. So I had to do some stuff on the Excel file so that I could template out first names versus last names. But everything on GMass's side was just dirt simple. I understood exactly what to do with the whole program within like 5 minutes of downloading it. I would definitely recommend GMass to anybody that is doing cold email campaigns for people that haven't opted into their marketing campaign, and they want to send between 500 and 2,500 emails per day that all go directly into the person's primary inbox rather than the person's promotions, updates, social, spam, stuff like that. I would also recommend it for anybody who has an organically opted in list. So if people have said, here's my email, please contact me about your newsletter, stuff like that. I think GMass is just a breeze, super easy. You can schedule follow-ups and everything you can do with anywhere else, but it all happens right from inside your Gmail account. It's just as easy as it can get.